I hit the button. Man, that thing is loud.
Yeah.
I wonder why. It's just flying itself?
Yeah, see, even in the wind, see how it's holding its location? It's not doing, it's like rocking a little bit with the turbulence.
Yeah. Jesus Christ, that's unreal.
But that's all.
Now, will it come back if you just tell it to?
It'll land in the garage because that's where I started it.
Oh, you don't want to do that.
No, that's where I plugged the battery in and where it got its GPS from. But I mean, that's in this.
Good God, that's unreal.
That's how, and I ain't doing nothing. It's just holding its position.
Yeah.
There you go.
And that's a lot of wind.
Yeah. Hey, look at the palm trees over there bending over.
I know.
Yeah. Okay, you're gonna turn it off.
Wow.
Up there. See how much it's tilted up there to hold its position. But damn, it's coming straight down. Look how far it tilts just to hold that. No move. Wow.
That video in there, you'll have to watch it. It might be interesting for you to watch because it says some of the laws that are coming up. It was given to the Coachella and he taped it